Hello everyone, let's now continue to talk about the Ferrari F8 2019. So this is the part number 3, and if you didn't see, just go ahead and see as well the part 2 and the 1. Let's now here start and model our Ferrari F8 2019. So what I will do now is we'll go to the top planes, sketch, and from here I will start making this line, this long line from this point up to here. Now I need to make here some change just to ensure that this line goes straight to this line here. So the line is fit as you can see here. So now what I'm gonna do is we'll come here, okay, and then rebuild. So we have the line from the top side. Now I will do the same line but on the front side. Come here to the front and then as well sketch, and I will do the same thing. So just make sure that we have this line here, start from this point and then goes to up to along a way to this point here. So you can just come here and then spline as well. Put just your cursor here, don't click and then move up. Just make sure that you do the exact same point. So we're talking about the line here, then select to that point, and then also move up. So we'll as well click here, then also here, and then move away to that point. Same thing, we need also here to make some change. Make sure that it is all set up according to the line, and then we'll just come here. So the line is as well set up, and then just come here, click OK, and then after you change, or even before that, just come here and then select this point, go back to the other line we have already done on the tops, just looking for that line as well. So we have the line here from the top, then select some point, then goes to the vertical, okay, do the same thing in other side as well, select this point and also this point here, vertical, okay. So they are in a vertical both from the top and also from the right side, and then just come here, rebuild. So you have two lines, which is good, and what will be next step? Next will be select both lines, goes to the features, goes to the curves, and then project curve. Okay, so this part it is done. Now we're gonna make also a second line, and I will also start from the top. Goes again to the top, rebuild, and here I will choose this line here that's coming from here, and then it goes up to here. Let's now here make this line. I will just go to this spline as well. We just need as well to make here some change and make sure that it follow the line like that. So it is also done, and the rebuild from the top. Do the same thing from the front plane. Come here to the front, sketch, and we'll do the same thing. So this is the line, and then we'll just here follow the same line. Just come here, put your cursor to make sure that you go to straight. So we'll be to this point. Now let's something. We have pretty much the line. So that's the lines, and something very important here is You need to select these points and also goes to the top, goes well to the top lines. Okay, so that's the one from the top. Select also here, and then it goes to the vertical. Okay, do the same thing in other side. Select this point, and then also select the same point from the top one. And to make the selection is Control, click one line, it goes Control as well, and then click the next line, and then OK. And then so we have select this one, Control, this one, vertical relation, then OK. Then rebuild. So we have both line from the tops and also here. Now what we'll do is select these two, and then it goes to the project curves, and then OK. So it is done. These steps. What we'll do now is we need to join these two lines. Just goes to the sketch, 3D sketch, select the splines, and then we need to connect the two line, which is this one here, and also connect to this one. Done. So we need to look from all the side, make sure that when you use 3D lines or entities, you need always to check in all the side. Just make sure that it is all lines, goes to the right, do the same thing, and here. So and do the same thing in the other side, what is here as well. Okay, and then come here, go again, you can also just rebuild, 3D sketch again, spline, now select, join also this two line here from the top, click there, and also click here, then look in all the position. Rebuild. We have here these two. The next step will be use the loft. Come to the loft, lead from there. So we'll start from this curve, also this one here, and then use the guide, this one, and also this one. So okay, done. So we have these first parts. It is here, so you can see. Okay, from the car like that, and you can see also from all the side would be, so it is like straight to the car. So that's the one we want to achieve, which is good. You can see in a different side. Before you go, please come here, subscribe, click the notification button, and give us your feedback.